Welcome to the project demonstration of COVID testing booth based on non-contact registration. So the main application of this project is while taking the samples from the citizens or persons in COVID testing booth. So we need to enter the details manually. So it will take more time, and instead of that, to making easy the registration process, we are making use of RFID reader, and also at the same time the details of the entry will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak with help of ESP8266 module, and the so-called status will be displayed on the LCD screen. And at the same time, at the end of the day, we are going to send the results to the message by using this GSM modem. So here the application flow is where the person has to show the RFID tag initially, and after that we are going to take the samples in real time, and for that the status will be displayed on the screen. And once the samples was taken done, the same details along with the ID number, so we are going to upload the data to the ThinkSpeak. So the data nothing but entry ID of the person along with the date and time at which time the person has given sample. This only detail will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak with help of this ESP8266 module, and once done, then it will give the buzzer, so indicated that next person has to come for the sample, and this person's sample was taken already. And then at the end of the day, nothing but when the 4 samples are completed, so it will send the results to the respective numbers. For the demonstration, we are making use of one number for receiving the 4 results, and the whole system controlled by our Arduino Uno. So here the inputs are RFID reader, outputs LCD, ESP8266 module, buzzer, and GSM modem. So from this adapter directly we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply, means we are going to give 230 volts to this plug, and then we will get the 5 volts constant regulated power supply. So that's given to this breadboard. So from here we are going to distribute the 5 volts power supply to the whole circuitry. So once the Arduino get the power supply, it's starting executing the process. So before switching on this kit, we need to do 2 main steps. I'm repeating 2 main steps. One is enable the hotspot in your phone, go to personal hotspot settings and provide the hotspot name as project 4594. All are small letters without any space. I'm repeating, all are small letters without any space, and password 129. After setting changes on the hotspot, on the data, on the kit. Okay, and second step is insert a valid SIM card to this GSM modem. Before switching on this kit, hotspot on, and then insert a valid SIM card. It should have the SMS balance or main balance. Better to use Airtel to get the faster outputs, and then provide the power supply. And from here the next step is, once the power supply provided, just hold this reset switch, let the GSM modem get the signal. So there's a green light indicated fast initially. Once right now it is slow down, so it's indicated that the GSM modem got the signal. Then only we need to allow the Arduino to communicate with this GSM modem. So why? Because without getting the signals, if the Arduino communicate with the GSM modem, it will get the errors. So that's why, right, welcome message. So that's why we're holding the Arduino till it get the signal, and after that display on the show the tag. So now next step is go to the ThinkSpeak. Just log into the ThinkSpeak with the given credentials. Now here this is a previous data, this is entry IDs, date and time. So now go to channel settings, follow the steps step by step clearly. I'm repeating that. And now clear the channel, only do clear the channel, and then after okay, and then go to private view again. Wait here, there's no data, so fresh data we're going to sending to the IoT platform now. So right, just show the tag. So the tag number will be displayed, and taking sample. Just for the demonstration purpose, we reduce the time of taking sample and registering the person and uploading the data to the ThinkSpeak. Right, thank you. When the beep comes, the next person has to show the tag. If I show the same tag, so directly it will display on the LCD already sample given. Okay, and also in the ThinkSpeak we see like one data is just now entered, the ID number 27 gain sample, the so-called time. And now let us go with the next samples. Right, so at the end again I will show you the ThinkSpeak how many IDs entered. So for here we are demonstrating the number of samples are 4. Once the 4 samples are completed, then automatically this particular number will receive the messages. In real time, 4 numbers will be received this particular message of consisting the test details, that is a positive or a negative, the CT levels also. So once I show this fourth tag, once it's completed, simply displaying thank you, then we will get the message alerts, right? Yeah, so once it's displaying the thank you, so it will send the message, and my system will keep on sending the 4 messages to the 4 different numbers in real time, or any number of samples to the right. So we got the message, right? ID number, the first ID number, so called his results, and there also CT levels displaying here, and we got the another message, so 27 and 34, right, and 18, right? So the total number of samples results will be given to the so-called customer citizens through this making use of GSM modem. And also in ThinkSpeak we can see the how many numbers entered here till 4 numbers. So you can download this. Now go to data import and export, and then download the data, right? So it will download it in CSV format, and once download successfully done, you can open that in Excel sheet format directly, and that will be consist of how many number of entries I've done, means how many samples have been taken till now. So here the entry ID 1 2 3 4. What is the field 1? The field 1 is nothing but ID number of this particular citizen, right? So there are the details, like we'll get how many samples have taken and at which time, right? Okay. So while executing the project I'm repeating, follow the step by step. Thank you.